First, I will apply a creme. Next, let's apply some glitter. Now I'm gonna touch this glass bottle. As you can see, the glitter has stuck on the bottle. Now somebody else is going to touch the same glass bottle that I touched. As you can see, there is glitter residue all over her hand. Let's try just by rinsing. Will it come off? It is not coming off. Now I'm trying to wash my hands with soap and water and wash for 30 seconds. In this bowl, as you can see, there is a lot of glitter which represents germs. After washing my hands, there is a lot of germs inside the bowl. As you can see them as I am zooming in, all of these germs have come off. First question is, where does the glitter spread? The glitter spreads wherever I put my hand on. If I touch anything, for example, if I touch this perfume bottle, it will stick onto here because I'm making a contact with it, and the germs will spread onto this. And if anybody else touches it, this is my clean hand. If I touch the same bottle, the glitter will spread on my hand because I am having a direct contact. This is making the glitter stick on my hand. The second question is which washing method works better? If you wash 2 times and wash your hands with your palms, under your fingernails, and wash your hands about 30 to 45 seconds, mostly of the germs will come off. Not all of the germs will obviously go off because the glitter that I've shown, they are just on like the barricade of my skin. But the germs, they are kind of stuck together and they're way smaller and you can see it through a microscope. But glitter you can see through your own bare eyes, which also makes it larger and easier to remove. The next question is how to prevent real pathogen. So in the video I have explained on what happens. Let me explain it to you one more time. The glitter, also known as the germs, when you rinse it with cold water, nothing happens. The germs stay the same and there's just a bit of germs that go out. But even if you keep doing that and keep doing that, that glitter will never end. It will stay on your hands like for a long time and maybe forever. But when I use soap and wash it for about 30 to 45 seconds and use a technique where I go a bit hard and scrub, that is when the glitter or germs gets off my hand entirely. You can see a bit of glitter, which will happen because if you wash your hands a few more times, all the glitter will come off eventually.